Right, today we have a Karndean conservatory floor which has been down a number of years, and the flooring is scratched in areas, especially down here. You can feel that there is a ridge there. We're going to strip this floor. We're going to repair some of the scratches, and we're also going to repair the wear layer with our product, and we're going to give a sort of a between a matte to satin finish. So our product will actually fill those scratches, achieving a very durable layer on top of the wear layer of the tile. So we'll come back to this in a bit and we'll see how we're getting on. Right, so what we've done is we've actually stripped the previous sealant that was applied to this floor when it was laid. We've cleaned it, deep cleaned it, and it's been allowed to dry. I've done some repairs just down here, just to sand down some of those scratches, some of those deep scratches. And so what we have is a floor which basically looks, it's got the same appearance it had when it left the factory. So it has no finish, it's very dull. We're going to apply our product now. It's the first coat, and so what we'll do is we'll come back in a short while once that has been applied. So finally, we have applied the product to this floor. As you can see, any scratches that were visible before are now completely gone. I mean, you can't see them at all. We haven't changed the finish of the floor compared to how it was when we arrived, so that's going to please the customer. The customer didn't want a shiny floor, which is understandable. They wanted a matte stroke satin finish. So there you go. Remember these scratches down here? I mean, you just can't see them at all. They've gone. This particular sealant is around 6 times more durable than a standard sealant for Karndean and Antico. So it's you're not going to be stripping this back every year and reapplying a sealant to it. So there you go. If you have Antico Karndean flooring, that's nothing much wrong with it. It's just a little bit scratched, and you want to get more life out of it without having to rip it up and replace it at great expense, then give ProSteamUK a call today, 01252 319 391, or visit us at www.prosteamuk.com.